Alright, so 04 Dodge Ram 1500. If you've been paying attention to the other videos I've been doing, I'm getting to the rear doors now. And they are 6.5 speakers round. So here's the factory one. So you're going to pull this out. Has a connector on the bottom. And if you were listening to my other video, I was saying what you should do is splice into the factory connection. Now, what you do is you just take a razor blade and you scrape away at the insulation. You don't actually cut the wire and resolder them together. You actually just carve away the insulation and then wrap the connections around it, solder, and then put some electrical tape there. Now, if you want to know how to remove the door panel, this is quite literally the easiest door panel I've ever removed on any vehicle. It totally makes up for all of the shitty jobs I've always had to do, like heater cores and engine swaps and, oh, fucking, you name it, you know, broken shackles on trucks. Well, anyway, all you have to do is remove the one screw and the door handle. The door handle is that ratchet, 2 extensions, and a 10mm. Comes right out like this. In case you didn't watch the other video, looks like this. So all you do is stick that in there, pull the handle away as you're unscrewing it, and the screw will stick with it. Handle comes off, the one screw, and then you literally just lift up on the door panel. There's 2 things you have to remove. No pop clips, nothing. I guess the only thing you have to worry about is the window, the window switch. That's what that is. So you just got to unplug that once you lift up on the door panel, and the whole thing comes out. As you can see, there's no clips at all. They all, you know, they're just the little, I don't know what you would call those, little elbows. If you wanted to remove the switch, it looks like you just have to rotate it counterclockwise from the front or clockwise from the rear, as you can see, and the thing just pops out. But just to show you the screw location on the front, so you got the screw, the door handle, slide up and disconnect the window switch. Couldn't be any easier. And I'm getting to the point where I'm trying to bolt these in, but it doesn't look like the bolt pattern matches up, so you may have to drill your own holes. I'm going to take another video once I figure it out.